What's going on, guys? Welcome to the May edition of Matt's Monthly Market Minute. Every month, I like to give you a quick 60,000 foot view of what's going on in our neighborhood in the Tampa area overall. If you want specifics, as I always say, let me know. Be happy to break it down by neighborhood for you because it does change neighborhood to neighborhood. It doesn't mean what's happening over there is happening over here. So if you want specifics, reach out and I'll definitely be happy to have that chat with you. But let's get to it. So total listing count, nothing real big change here. We've been trending upwards since the new year. So that is staying pretty much in line with what we've been seeing. Active listing count, this is excluding homes under contract. That is pretty much a slight increase. Again, nothing crazy there. New listing count. So this is homes that are added to the overall inventory in the current month. So we are trending upwards. This is a sign that we are seeing there are more options available for buyers to look at, giving them more choice, which essentially what we're going to see is we're going to see a lot of more price reductions because more supply, less demand, prices come down, and we are seeing it and we're feeling it every day as realtors. Homes that are gone under contract. So we can see that we have a slight increase, nothing crazy, still not enough. It's more difficult to get homes under contract. I always say, there's two things really. Your home has to show extremely well. Number one, you get one chance to get most of these buyers through the door. And if your home doesn't show well, you lose that opportunity and you don't have as many opportunities. So you really got to make them count. Number two, you got to be priced where the market is. A lot of homes out there are just sitting. They're overpriced. They're not going to sell at the current prices. We will see them get real. Eventually these prices will come down. Usually when one domino falls, the other ones do. So it just takes time to bear it out. A lot of people are still holding on to pricing. It's just not there anymore. So, we're seeing that, rates and everything else is contributing. There's a lot of buyers on the fence. So, we're just not, the market hasn't met, the prices haven't met the market yet, essentially. Number of homes with price reductions. We are seeing more over the last few months. We've been trending upwards. I think that trend is going to continue. I still think there's quite a bit of room. Certain segments of the market more than others. 275 to 350 is selling quite well. But once you get over that 500 mark and even higher, things are taking longer. We're seeing a lot more price reductions on the more expensive homes. So I think we're going to continue. I think there's still quite a bit more to go personally. Some people would argue with me, but that's my thoughts and it's my show, so I'm going to give it to you. Median days on market, this is a good sign. They are trending down. We were just over 2 months in the new year. Now we're at a month and a half. So that is a good sign for sellers. Median listing price, we were at $490 back in September. We are now at $458. So we have had a drop. That's the median. Higher price properties have dropped even more. Okay, so statistics or percentages have come down a lot more on the higher end properties. And months of inventory. I always like the slide because it gives you kind of a snapshot. This is a good sign for sellers, even though we've been adding a lot of listings. The actual months of inventory overall has actually come down. So statistically, 2 months is a seller's market, but this is overall. Depends where you sit. So that's why I said, if you guys want specifics on your unique situation, because we all have different circumstances, different price points, let me know. If you know somebody who wants that information, even if they're not thinking about making a move and they're just curious, I would love to have that chat. I'm never too busy for any of your referrals. And that's what I got for you for the month of May. So anyways, guys, hope you guys are having a fantastic month of May so far. And I look forward to speaking with y'all in about a month. Talk to you then.